Hey everyone, in this full guide, I'll show you how to create logo animation in After Effects in 2026. So whether you want animated intros for YouTube, business branding, gaming channels, cinematic videos, or social media content, yeah. After Effects gives you powerful tools for creating smooth and professional logo animations. First, open Adobe After Effects and create a new composition using your preferred resolution and frame rate. Next, import your logo file into the project panel. PNG files with transparent backgrounds usually work best. Now drag the logo into the timeline to begin building the animation. One of the easiest ways to animate a logo is using keyframes for position and scale. You can also animate rotation to create dynamic spinning or cinematic logo reveals. Sound design can make logo animations feel much more professional, so add impacts, whooshes, or cinematic sound effects. Now preview the full logo animation carefully and adjust timing, effects, or motion if needed. Once your logo animation looks good, export the final video using Adobe Media Encoder or the render queue. And that's basically how to create logo animation in After Effects in 2026. With keyframes, motion blur, cinematic effects, and sound design, you can create professional-looking animated logos directly from your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.